Today we're talking about something every gardener secretly hopes for. A garden that gives back year after year. Picture this. You step outside into your backyard and, season after season, fresh, nourishing food is already growing for you. No reseeding every spring, no constant replanting, no scrambling to beat the weather or running out of time with seed trays. Instead, imagine a garden that becomes more productive with age. A garden that largely takes care of itself. That's the magic of perennial crops. These are plants you establish once and then they return stronger every year, providing reliable harvest with minimal effort after the initial setup. In this video, we're diving into 9 of the best perennial food crops that only need to be planted once and can feed you for decades. Make sure you watch until the end because these plants don't just save you time, money, and labor. A few of them might completely change how you think about growing food at home. Let's jump in. Asparagus, the undisputed king of perennials. Asparagus absolutely earns its reputation as the king of perennial vegetables. When planted correctly, a single asparagus bed can remain productive for an astonishingly long time, often 20, 25, or even 30 years. The first year is all about patience. Young asparagus plants focus entirely on building deep, resilient root systems underground. During this time, harvesting should be minimal or avoided altogether. It can feel slow, but that early restraint pays off in a big way. By the second year, you may see a small harvest, and by the third year, thick, vibrant green spears begin emerging each spring, often earlier than almost any other vegetable in the garden. And the flavor is on another level. Fresh, homegrown asparagus is sweeter, more tender, and far more flavorful than store-bought spears that have spent days in transit. Once established, asparagus becomes incredibly low maintenance. It needs only basic care, occasional mulching, light weeding, and seasonal cleanup. It doesn't need constant attention or replanting, and it faithfully returns every spring without fail. This is one of those rare crops that truly embodies the idea of long-term gardening rewards. You invest once, wait patiently, and then enjoy harvests for decades. Few plants offer that kind of return. Rhubarb, the early season champion. Rhubarb is often overlooked, but it's one of the most dependable and long-lasting plants you can grow. With its large, dramatic leaves and bold red or green stalks, it adds both beauty and productivity to the garden. Its flavor is distinctive, bright, tart, and unmistakable. Rhubarb shines in pies, crisps, jams, sauces, and even savory recipes. Once established, a single plant can continue producing for 15 to 20 years with very little maintenance. Rhubarb thrives in cooler climates and actually benefits from cold winters. In fact, it's often one of the very first edible plants to emerge in early spring. While most of the garden is still dormant, rhubarb is already pushing up thick, ready-to-harvest stalks. Plant it in a sunny or partially sunny location with rich, well-draining soil, and it largely takes care of itself. It doesn't require frequent watering once established and rarely suffers from pests or disease. There's only one important rule to remember. The stalks are edible, but the leaves are not. The leaves contain toxic compounds and should never be eaten. As long as you follow that simple guideline, rhubarb is incredibly easy to grow. Reliable, resilient, and long-lived, rhubarb is a true perennial powerhouse, a plant that quietly delivers year after year with almost no demands in return. 3. Jerusalem artichokes, hidden treasure beneath the soil. Jerusalem artichokes, often called sunchokes, are one of the most generous perennial crops you can plant. Once you put them in the ground, they establish quickly and return year after year with even greater abundance. In fact, they're famous for producing more food than you expect. Plant a handful of tubers, and by the end of the season, you'll dig up armloads of knobby, crisp roots that taste mildly sweet and nutty. These tubers are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Roasted, they develop a rich, earthy flavor. Mashed, they become creamy and comforting. Sautéed, they add depth and texture to almost any dish. And because they grow underground, they're naturally protected from many pests and weather extremes. Above ground, Jerusalem artichokes are just as impressive. The plants grow tall and sturdy, often reaching several feet high, and they're crowned with bright yellow, sunflower-like blooms that bring beauty and pollinators into your garden. But while the flowers steal the show, the real reward is waiting below the surface. They're exceptionally tough plants. Tough. Jerusalem artichokes tolerate drought, poor soil, and neglect better than most crops. They rarely suffer from serious pest or disease issues and don't require fertilizer to thrive. Once established, they're almost impossible to get rid of, which is both a blessing and something to plan for. The most important thing to remember is space. Jerusalem artichokes spread enthusiastically and can take over an area if left unmanaged. Giving them a dedicated bed or a clear boundary keeps them productive without becoming overwhelming. If you have room, they're one of the best low-effort, high-yield perennial foods you can grow. 4. Horseradish, the bold root that never quits. Horseradish is the kind of plant that makes its presence known and refuses to leave. And for gardeners who love strong flavors, that's exactly what makes it special. Once horseradish is planted, it becomes a permanent resident, returning every season with thick, powerful roots that pack an unforgettable punch. Fresh horseradish is in a league of its own. When grated, it releases a sharp, sinus-clearing heat that fades into a deep, earthy flavor. It's nothing like the mild jars found in grocery stores. Homegrown horseradish elevates sauces, meats, pickles, and condiments with a boldness that only fresh roots can provide. Above the soil, horseradish grows large, leafy greens that look almost ornamental. Below the soil is where the real magic happens. The roots grow long and thick, and harvesting them is straightforward. Even better, or more accurately, more persistent, any piece of root left behind will grow into a new plant the following year. Horseradish doesn't ask for much. It grows in nearly any soil, tolerates cold extremely well, and shrugs off most pests and diseases. It's one of those rare crops that thrives on neglect. But with that resilience comes enthusiasm. Horseradish spreads easily and will expand if given the chance. The best approach is to plant it in a spot where it can do its thing without interfering with other crops. If you enjoy intense flavors and want a perennial that produces reliably with almost no effort, horseradish earns its place in the garden year after year. 5. Egyptian walking onions, the plant that replants itself. Egyptian walking onions are one of the most fascinating and entertaining perennial crops you can grow. Also known as tree onions, they don't behave like normal onions at all, and that's what makes them so special. Instead of producing flowers and seeds, these onions form small clusters of miniature bulbs, called topsets, at the top of their stalks. As the season progresses, the stalks grow taller and the topsets become heavier. Eventually, the stem bends over under the weight, touches the ground, and those little bulbs take root on their own. This unusual process gives the illusion that the plant is walking across the garden, slowly relocating itself and creating new patches year after year. No planting required from you. Egyptian walking onions are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can harvest the green shoots like scallions, dig up the underground bulbs, or use the topsets just like pearl onions. Every part of the plant is useful, flavorful, and dependable. They're also extremely hardy. These onions tolerate cold, poor soil, and rough conditions that would stop most crops in their tracks. Once established, they continue producing indefinitely with almost no care. No reseeding, no replanting, no fuss. For gardeners who love self-sufficiency, Egyptian walking onions are the perfect example of a truly self-sustaining crop. They don't just grow food, they manage their own future. Watching them slowly spread and multiply is both practical and oddly magical, making them a favorite in any perennial garden built to last. 6. Artichokes, a stunning plant that delivers both beauty and bounty. Artichokes are true showpieces in any perennial garden. While they may require slightly more attention than some of the other crops on this list, the rewards they offer are absolutely worth the effort. In warmer climates, globe artichokes can live for many years, producing abundant, tender buds that are the heart of countless Mediterranean dishes. There's nothing quite like walking into your garden, picking your own artichokes, steaming them, and savoring the soft, buttery heart concealed beneath the layers. The flavor and freshness of homegrown artichokes are unmatched by anything you can buy in a store. Even if you choose not to harvest them, artichokes are spectacular to behold. Their tall, silvery green foliage, bold structural form, and striking purple thistle-like blooms, if allowed to flower, make them a centerpiece in any garden. Once established, artichokes can continue producing generous harvests season after season, adding both ornamental beauty and delicious flavor to your outdoor space. They are truly a statement plant, a harmonious combination of edible bounty and visual appeal. Growing your own artichokes delivers a sense of satisfaction that few other plants can match. 7. Sorrel, the resilient, tangy green that keeps giving. If you've never experimented with sorrel in your garden, it's time to give this remarkable perennial a try. Often overlooked, sorrel is a leafy green that deserves a permanent spot in every kitchen garden. Its bright, tangy, lemony flavor brings a refreshing zest to soups, sauces, and fresh salads. One of the remarkable features of sorrel is how early it emerges in spring, often sprouting when much of the rest of your garden is still dormant. Once planted, sorrel continues to return year after year, thriving with minimal attention and care. Unlike more delicate greens such as spinach or lettuce, sorrel does not bolt quickly and is incredibly adaptable. It can flourish in a range of conditions, from nutrient-rich soil to rougher, less fertile ground. You can harvest the young, tender leaves for fresh salads, or cook the mature leaves similarly to spinach for a flavorful, tangy addition to a variety of dishes. Sorrel has been a staple in European kitchens for centuries, cherished for its versatility, flavor, and ease of growth. Once you introduce it to your garden, it becomes clear why it has remained a favorite for so long. Hardy, dependable, and low maintenance, sorrel is a true perennial green that provides far more than it requires, making it a valuable and enduring addition to any garden. 8. Perennial kale, a continuous supply of greens. Without replanting for gardeners who adore kale but dread the ritual of planting seeds every spring, perennial kale is nothing short of a dream come true. Unlike most common kale varieties that last only 1 or 2 growing seasons, perennial kale has the remarkable ability to keep producing fresh, nutritious leaves year after year with proper care. This hardy green offers a continuous harvest, allowing you to enjoy abundant leaves repeatedly without the need for reseeding or restarting your crop. Even after cutting leaves for meals, perennial kale bounces back quickly, demonstrating impressive resilience against cold, wind, and less than perfect soil conditions. Perennial kale is an ideal addition to permaculture gardens or any low-maintenance growing system, where the emphasis is on long-term productivity and sustainability. Once established, it quietly becomes one of the most dependable crops in your garden, delivering nutritious greens nearly year-round with minimal intervention. This plant embodies everything gardeners look for in a perennial. It is robust, generous, self-sufficient, and endlessly rewarding. Having perennial kale in your garden means you have a steadfast ally that continually provides fresh, healthy food without demanding constant attention. 9. Strawberries. Nature's sweet, self-propagating treat. Now let's turn to one of the most beloved perennial fruits in any home garden: strawberries. These little gems are adored not only for their exceptional flavor, but also for their remarkable ease of growth. Technically, strawberries are considered short-lived perennials, but with the right care, they can continue to produce fruit for multiple years. Once planted, strawberries propagate naturally through runners. Thin shoots that extend from the parent plant take root in new soil and grow into fully productive plants on their own. With time, a small patch of strawberries can transform into a flourishing carpet of plants, yielding an ever-increasing bounty each season. There's nothing quite like plucking a sun-ripened strawberry straight from the plant. The flavor is unmatched, sweeter, juicier, and more aromatic than any store-bought variety. And the beauty of strawberries lies in their minimal demands. With just a little mulch, occasional weeding, and a sunny location, they continue to reward gardeners with generous fruit harvests year after year. Strawberries are the quintessential plant once, enjoy endlessly crop. They offer not only exceptional taste, but also a visually appealing, productive ground cover. Once you've experienced the joy of growing your own strawberries, it's hard to imagine a summer without these homegrown treasures. Bringing it all together, 9 perennial superstars. And there you have it, 9 extraordinary perennial crops that you plant just once and continue to enjoy for many years. Each of these plants has the power to transform your garden into a self-sustaining oasis of food, beauty, and nutrition. Picture stepping into your garden season after season, knowing that fresh, edible crops are ready to harvest without the need for reseeding, replanting, or constant maintenance. This is the real magic of perennial plants. They work with you, not against you, providing abundance effortlessly and consistently. So, which of these perennial champions will you introduce to your garden first? Share your plans and experiences in the comments below. If this video has been helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical, smart gardening advice. Until next time, happy gardening. Enjoy the satisfaction of harvests that continue to give year after year, the true gift of perennials.